Now in this video, let me show you how you can print an image from WhatsApp on the iPhone. So if you're new here on a Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you go to your WhatsApp chats as usual, and you might have an image which somebody else has sent over and you want to just literally print it out. So the way that it would work is that you can select the image like this. So I'm going to tap on the photo, make it go full screen. And what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to click on a share in the bottom left corner. So this is the button which I'm talking about. It's like the share tool, which you tap on. And you have a couple of different things, like, of course, you can create a sticker or search it on web and some random features. But in order to print it out, we have to at first save it to the gallery. So I'm going to click on a save like this. It's going to download the photo from WhatsApp and it's going to actually save it in the gallery app, right? So in the regular Photos app. You can see I get inside and the latest image is the one which I just downloaded. And now that it's part of the photos, I can as well click on the share once again, scroll down below, and pick the print option from all of the available ones. So I click on print. You can see that it gives me the options like how many copies I want to print out and see the paper size, right? So you can see kind of like the preview below. So I can choose it to be like a small photo or postcard or different sizes of papers, right? That's fine. And at the top, I also have to choose a printer. So obviously it's going to look for those which are available nearby. So make sure your printer is like turned on and ready to be paired, because you can see for me, it didn't really recognize anyone or any printer, right? And once it does, you can just confirm it like this and it should print out the image directly from WhatsApp. I mean, of course, at first we had to download it, but that is the WhatsApp image. So that's what I wanted to explain to you in this video. I hope that I was able to do it. Let me know if I did a good job in the comments. You can just leave a thumbs up to let me know. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the future uploads as well.